morning, everyone. Welcome to the Barangayanihan Caravan. This is the Duterte Legacy. Today, guys, we will be having a program, Pangkinati Duterte Legacy, Barangayanihan Caravan towards national recovery. Nga, isa ti programa iti Pangulo. Today, we have a lot of stakeholders. We have the Ilocos Norte Police Provincial Office. We have the KK-DOT, the Kalasag, the Kalikasan, and together with me, pag-feature natin, adaptin natin, grupo iti NGT Health and Wellness Center na umay mang-provide iti Tibicos drink, and with us is Doc Hani Tamayo, and later on, they will hold a medical mission para kadito recipients tayo. Actually, at the dito recipients tayo dito yan, they are waiting, and the good mayor in the person of the Honorable Joffrey Sagid, ni Apo Vice Mayor Erjo Valenzuela, together with his group, will be here for the Duterte Legacy Barangayanihan Caravan. And a lot of things will be happening today, so stay tuned and we'll be right back.